Well, if you live somewhere where there's no snow, this is what it looks like. Why she bounced like a bunny rabbit? Alright, go back over there, I guess. Good ball. So it looks like I got some shoveling to do. There's a decent amount of snow. I would say probably somewhere between 8 to 10 inches is probably how much snow is here. Now, it probably will warm up throughout the day and sleet, and I'll probably drop down to probably about 5 inches. So there's really not going to be a lot of snow here in a couple days. Dog's frozen. Yo. Well, I gotta get the good old shovel out. Out of breath. This is it's what they call heart attack snow because it's so heavy. It's actually snow that you can't really push with a shovel. You're just constantly scooping it up because it's that heavy. Wow. That yeah. Check in on any elderly neighbors for this kind of snow. Check in on them. They need a hand. Go out there and help them out because this is it's quite a workout with this heavy snow. All right, well, I guess I just started picking up with snow. Let's go ahead and make a little run outside. The roads are all clear around here. It's just you gotta get off the back road to get onto the main road. But everyone says it's all right. We have now a mixture of slush and snow, and it's not too much snow up there. It is compacting though. It's maybe not 10 inches, definitely 8 inches of snow, but man, there's a lot of it. I gotta love a snow day with taco stacks. It's still snowing pretty good. All right, let's see. What's the probability I can get out of this without using four-wheel drive? Probably pretty slim, but let's give it a go. Alright, we're not going anywhere. So that means the van's not going anywhere. Alright, let's get going. There we go. Van might not be going anywhere for a while. But then again, it's supposed to get warm this week, so who knows? Oh, look at this. They're getting a stretcher out. That's not good. Told you got to be careful with the snow. I mean, obviously it's going to be snow related, but you know, you got to be smart with shoveling the snow. I kid you not. It's just not an easy snowstorm. It's easy at driving because the roads are plowed. I have four-wheel drive, but it's not easy to just maneuver everything and exert your energy. Gotta take it easy. We can go ahead and check in on the animals at the local farm. So today is actually garbage pickup day. Well, tomorrow morning is, but today would be the day that I'd go out garbage picking. So I think we can all assure ourselves that there's probably not going to be a lot of garbage thrown out today, so I might not make another round later on. I did want to say this house over here, not this one. There's one back here. It's hidden back there. I saw when they were building it. Well, you can't even see it. It's back there. I don't know why, but I think it's one of the nicest houses in the area that were just built. I think if they angled it a different way, it would look really, really nice. But I've always said I want to build a new house. Mine's falling apart. So I took down the name and number of that company, and it is not cheap. I looked at their Facebook page. It is not cheap. So that went in one ear and out the other. This is one sketchy road. How do you think the animals are doing? You think the cows are out? The shed over here for produce is closed. I don't know what you can really grow anyway with all the snow. You guys might remember I was coming here like every week for sweet corn. There's actually really good sweet corn. I know New Jersey has really good sweet corn. I don't think I've even had New Jersey sweet corn ever in my life, but everyone says that New Jersey is really, really good for their sweet corn. That's it, produce crib. It's closed. Probably closed until, well, it says closed for the season. Oh, this person's leaving. Oh, there's a cat down there. Let a cat go. Guess that guy must be a farmer here. Let's see if they, yep, look at all the creatures that are out here. Look at all of them. Laying down. Some are hanging out. More cows. Good old farm life. You can see not many cars come down this road at all. I'm driving on the wrong side of the road. There we go. Straighten it out. All right. It's still snowing pretty good. Look at the garden over there on the left. All closed up. I think I'm going to get that honeybee out, or whatever the heck that yellow thing was, and we're going to test out the GoPro hat mount and see if this thing works. I think this thing costs like $10 or something. It's amazing. This piece of plastic costs $10. I think that's all you need to do, something like that. All right. Of course I got what? This is not working. This ain't gonna work. Oh, jeez. Come on. We're not going anywhere. Nope. There we go. Oh, nope, there we don't go. Oh. I think I'm too heavy. I would say this. Whoever thought of this part to put on... Oh. I'm seeing if I can just like pack it down a little bit. Whoever thought of this part, great for pulling it up the hill. You just grab that and just yank it up the hill. But I might be too heavy for this. Oh, there we go. Oh, oh, oh. All right. I did it. Maybe you don't put this into the ground. I don't know. Try that again. Exciting. And then when I tried to walk to the other side, a little bit more sketchy over there, but it's a longer hill, so we'll see if that works. Got some deer tracks also. That's what all these tracks are. It's amazing, you don't realize how much wild animals are out there until it snows. Oh, I see a squirrel running. Ooh. Man, this is tiring. I don't have high hopes for this. But the hill is much larger, and if we just keep going, we end up in the pond. So what's the worst that can happen? Maybe you're supposed to, I don't think you're supposed to stand on this thing. No, that definitely won't work. Come on. Maybe I should make a trail first? Maybe that's the move. All right, let's give it a go. This ain't working. Jeez. Well, I would say it's probably a 2 thumbs down. Now, granted, the snow could probably be different. It could be more compacted, but I mean, it's snow, you know? I think it's just the weight on it is just not the right setup. Just doesn't work. Finally got wise and brought the boots out. A little muddy, but they'll dry off. Yep, watch out. Yep. Dog has freedom. It's interesting because it's definitely is a snow day. I don't know where she's going, but it's kind of warm out. It's like it's still snowing. It's like a little snow sleet mixed in here, but it's warm. It's like 35 degrees. So, if anyone has any idea why that snow thing didn't work, I might be wrong with that. With the whatchamacallit. With it maybe being something you actually just pull behind, because there is a piece of string there that was left from the previous owner. Hold on. Yo! Salsa! Come here. You're running away. Good dog. Sit. No, don't sit, because that's probably pretty cold on your butt. Yo, how you going to just come back and then just run away? But maybe the string was there because somebody used to pull that sled behind something. That's what I'm kind of thinking, because it was a pretty long string of, or a pretty long string, And I didn't have any idea why that would be on there if there were handlebars to guide it. I don't know, it was interesting. I only paid, I think, $2 or $3 for it anyway, so I think I'm going to probably just try selling it at the flea market this year. And then if it doesn't sell, I'll just scrap it. But it was a really cool thing. I thought it was really, really neat when I saw it at the auction. But unfortunately, it just didn't work out. And I thought maybe it was because the snow wasn't as packed. It's a little bit too fluffy. But no, this snow is it's heavy. It's got some weight. It's got some density to it. So, yeah, that's that. I don't think we're going ice skating either. Although it looks like it's frozen. It's not really frozen that much. I'm really hoping Salsa doesn't decide to be a little adventurous and go on it, because that won't be fun. Yo! Yep, getting close. You're getting close. You're getting very close. Anyway, thanks for tagging along for today's snow day, guys and girls. It's been fun. Not sure what's going to happen with the schedule again for this week, because, well, there's snow. I'm going to try to do a little bit of shoveling. I don't know how well or how far I'm going to get with that. Should definitely put on that snow blower. I think it would have been worth it. But I'm going to try to do some snubbling so I can get the... did I say snubbling? Shoveling. I'm going to try to do some shoveling so I can get the van out in the next couple days and hopefully go out and do some trash picking and other things. I don't think there's going to be a lot put out today, so we'll see what happens with that adventure. But thanks for tagging along, everyone. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe down below, stay dry, stay warm, and I want to see how this snow ends up being for the next couple days. Catch you guys next time. Till next time, have a great day. Keep living a dream. Peace.